In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Sam's Club job online. To get started, head over to the Sam's Club Careers website, or you can use the Walmart Careers portal, since Sam's Club hiring is typically managed there. Once you're on the careers page, the first thing you'll want to do is search for open positions. You can narrow your search by entering a location, a job title, or even a keyword related to the kind of work you're looking for. This makes it much easier to find roles that fit your interests and availability. After the results appear, take some time to browse through the job listings. Look for a position that matches your skills, past experience, and the type of schedule you're able to work. When you find something that looks promising, open the listing and read the full job description carefully. Pay close attention to the qualifications, daily responsibilities, and expected work schedule, so you know exactly what the role involves before moving forward. If the job seems like a good fit, click Apply to begin the application process. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in to an existing Walmart Careers account. If this is your first time applying, you'll need to create a new account first. Make sure you use information you can easily access later, since you'll likely need that account to track your application status. Once you're signed in, complete the online application form. This usually includes your basic personal information, employment history, education, and any other required details. Be as accurate and complete as possible here, because employers often use this information to decide who moves forward in the hiring process. You may also be asked to upload a resume or, in some cases, enter your work experience manually. If both options are available, it's still a good idea to review everything closely to make sure your experience is clearly presented and up to date. Some positions may also require an assessment test. If that comes up, complete it carefully and give yourself enough time to focus, since these assessments can be an important part of the application. Before submitting anything, review your entire application one last time. Double check for missing details, typing errors, or incorrect dates. When everything looks